Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sew modern buba and wrapper. This one I'm wearing is not the modern one. The sleeve is up to here. I just fold the sleeve. If I lose the sleeve now, you will see that the sleeve is long. The sleeve is long, it's up to here. So you can see the difference. I'm going to show you how to sew the modern type that is up to here. I will show you how to cut the wrapper. That is what I'm going to be showing you guys today, and I'm going to be using this material to show you guys the modern buba. And you can see the sleeve of this one is just here. The one I showed you before was here. I fold up to here, but this one I fold up, so you can fold it to any size you like. See, this how to, if you want to change your old buba or your mom's buba to modern buba, you can just wear it like this. Just fold it and it will give you nice shape. If you are new here, please subscribe, and there's the bell, click on it so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This 1 yard, 2 yards, and I'm going to measure 15 inches. 15 inches. You can see the way the table fan is. When you are sewing, you have to be careful the way you stand your material. So it's going to be like this. I will measure 24 inches. This is how you take your measurement. Your tape round your back like this, bust like this. 24 into 2 places is 48 inches. So this one is too big for me. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use 46. I'm using 46. So you can use 44, depending on your bust. Full length, I'm going to use, I will use 25 inches on the full length. And the sleeve, I will take my measurement from here. I always do that, but normally people take measurement from here. But for me to be 100% sure, I always take measurement from half, from here. Okay, down here, which is 24 inches, which I will measure. Then you will place your tape where you end your 24 inches or 22 inches, depending on your size. Then you measure the sleeve from there. If your 24 or 22 is here, then you measure your sleeve from there to 3/4. That is 12 inches. If you want it long, it's up to you. Then you measure up to your wrist or 3/4, or where this one is. This one is about 7-8 inches from here. It's 8 inches, but I'm going to cut mine up to here. I hope you understand my explanation. Otherwise, if you don't understand, you can rewatch it again, or you leave your question in the comment section. I've already measured 24 inches here, which will give me 48 inches. Then I will cut. This one I'm wearing is, I measure 50 inches on this one. You can see how big it is. This one is big. This one is 50 inches. After sewing with 1 inch on this side, 1 inch on this side, it remains 48 inches. But after sewing this, 1 inch on this side, 1 inch on this side, it will remain 46 inches. It's folded into two, then I will fold again. That means I have into 4 here. I will measure 26 inches. That is, I will use ½ inch to sew the shoulder and ½ inch to sew the down part. Remember, they don't join buba on the shoulder. Don't join buba on the shoulder. Me, I want mine to stand upright, both back and front. That is why I join the shoulder. Let me go and sew the shoulder. You can see the way it's standing now. This is how I'm going to wear it. Let me cut the sleeve. The sleeve too, you have to be very careful. It has to stand. I'm going to hem the sleeve with 2 inches. And I will measure 12 inches. This is 12 inches plus sewing allowance. Then just straight. Buba is straight. You don't have to curve. A notch here in the shoulder. I will trim little from it. I will leave it 11.5 inches. Let me trim this place here. You can see the way the sleeve is going to stand. Let me sew the shoulder and sew the sleeve. I will fold this way. Then I'll cut the neck. I place my tape here. I measure 3 inches. In the deepness, I will measure 5 inches. Back and the front. This is how it is. I will use this one to turn the neck. Say I'm going to cut. I will join these 4 together to turn the neck. Otherwise, if you have bias the same color with this, you can use it. I will sew the sleeve. After joining the pieces, then I will fold into 2 like this. I will place it this way. I will sew round. After sewing, then I iron. I will bring it like this and stitch on top round. I have how to cut perfect bias in this channel. I will leave the link in the description box. You can go and click on it and see how to cut perfect bias for scallop or for flared. So if you cut a perfect bias, you will get this nice result round. When I finish sewing this, I just sew one side of the sleeve to show you example how I sew on top. I'm going to sew this side. I will place the sleeve. This is where I notch the center of the sleeve and the shoulder. I will join the 2 together and hold with pin. And I will sew here. I will go and sew the sleeve and finish the neck. When I'm done, I will show you how to join the 2 sides and the wrapper. I'm done sewing the neck. I finished sewing one side and I will sew this side. After sewing, I leave 4 inches here. Here I will measure 10.5 inches and sew. I will measure from here to here 10.5 inches and sew straight to here. Then get it to this place. I will leave from here to here 4 inches before sewing it this way. Then after doing that, I will sew the wrapper. I just cut the one to sew on top. Cut 10.5 inches and 2.25 inches. You know the wrapper is 2.25 and I also have this one 2.25. I will place the big one on my machine like this, and I will place this on top and sew gently. Then after sewing from the start to the end, I will turn it. It will come this way. Then after sewing, I will use this one to lap and sew. I'm done sewing the two sides. If you have overlock, you can overlock this place and this side. For the wrapper, I also finished joining the one on top, the one I add to it. I finish with it, and I sew this side, which I'm going to wrap inside. This side, I'm going to use 1.5 inch to hem. You can use 2 inches, just like this, to hem here. This side. This is the final look. This is where I cut from and join on top here. Very simple to cut and sew. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. If you are new, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Share this video to everyone. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.